Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the interactive notebook. The video's for Spanish 3, but the information is the same for 3 CAP and 4 AP. The first thing you're going to do is go to modules. Right underneath attendance, you will find the very first thing you're going to find is the module for the interactive notebook. In the following page, you will find the activities that go with the interactive notebook, and they will be updated on a daily basis. So I couldn't include them in the notebook itself because then you wouldn't get the updated version. After you watch or read the activity for the day, you will use your own copy of the interactive notebook to answer the prompts. Los lunes, you will have news articles. Los martes, you will have a listening activity. Los miércoles, you will have a reading activity. Los jueves, you will have a cultural comparison. Y los viernes, you will have a music video. This is where you're going to find activities, and they will, as mentioned, be updated each day. And then you will complete. Something to keep in mind is you want to do this every day. You don't want to let it become a snowball where you have like 10 activities to do in one day. So it's the second 6 weeks, and now this is everything for that we have done this week. Again, Spanish 3, the difference is that I find the article for you, and for 3 CAP and 4 AP, you have to go and find your own article. And then for Spanish, for Tuesday, you're going to go and watch either a video or just a listening activity and then answer the follow-up questions. On Wednesdays, you are going to do a reading assignment and like do some kind of interpretive reading. And then I did include a video to give you some background information about what you just read. Sometimes I will give you a video, sometimes I won't. This is Thursday's activity, today's activity, and what you have to do is compare the culture that is of the Spanish-speaking world with the one in the United States, and just try to see the similarities and the differences. And this is tomorrow, where it'll be talking about filling in the 3 Ps. The 3 Ps are your products, the things, nouns that you see, that is the culture, especially the culture. So for example, you see here, and he's wearing a poncho. So that's maybe ropa, and then you can put / poncho. Prácticas are the things that they are doing. And most of these are music videos, so obviously please don't go and tell me they're dancing and they're singing, because it's a music video. And then perspectivas, you're going to compare what you saw with your own culture. So now I'm going to skip a step. Well, no, actually, I won't skip the step. Here, we're going to go over here. And this is where you're going to access your interactive notebook. And you have to be logged in, and then it's going to do an automatic copy. And this is the notebook that you will receive. and then now you can write on it, and you'll write your name. You'll go down to, like, let's go down to Thursday, which is the cultural comparison. So today is la fecha. In Spanish, we always do day, month, year. So 27 de agosto del 2020. And then what you watched was that you saw some children and they were trying to learn. And what do both cultures have in common? Well, they're trying to learn. What are they trying to do? They're trying to overcome the obstacles that this pandemic is creating in our lives. Maybe over here in Peru, I want you to watch it and I'll let you fill it in. And then here in the United States, sometimes, like yesterday, I had trouble with my Wi-Fi and the lights went out. So we have to overcome some of these obstacles. And then finally, you will reflect a little bit about what you watched. And I'll go back here, and on Friday, let's say that you are in the interactive notebook and you no longer want to download it because you already did that. So what you're going to want to do is just access the activity for Friday. You already downloaded the interactive notebook, so it's now in my Google Drive. So all you have to do is go to Google, click here, go to Drive, and it should be one of the first things you see on your Drive, because you're doing this every day. So you're going to click here, or you're going to click here, and you'll click on this one and you'll keep working on it. On Friday, tomorrow, I'm going to be asking all of you to turn it in. It'll just say submit. I can't see that, but in yours, you have a little submit button. And then I will now be able to see your interactive notebook, and then I can tell you whether you are on the right track or not. I don't want to wait until September 24th to tell you that you didn't do it right. So tomorrow is a check-in. I want to see that you all are on the right track with the interactive notebook. And then afterwards, I won't be doing that. I will just ask you to submit it on September 24th. I hope this clarified some of the questions you may have had, and please just shoot me a message in inbox if you're still having trouble, and I'll be glad to help you. Maybe I can even do a private Zoom session with you. Have a wonderful day, and I'm looking forward to reading what you have to say about the videos so far. Adios.